This is Dr. Gregor in the kitchen. Today I'm going to share with you my new favorite beverage, a vegetable smoothie. I know that sounds kind of gross. It starts with 5 reusable bags and a stalk of celery goes into each. Then 1 carrot in each bag. Tips cut off. Then 1/5 of a small beet in each. Any more, it tastes really beety. Then 1 cup of ice cubes, an 1/8 teaspoon of freshly ground pepper, then a 1/2 teaspoon of horseradish, then cut and juice that half. Okay, final step is to just blend for 10 burpees. It fits into about 1 perfect mason jar. Yep, look at that. Then you pop in a reusable straw and
that's disgusting.